Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today we are looking at one logical question. The question is if a square minus 2bc over a square plus bc plus 6ca over b square minus 2ca plus c square minus 3ab over 4c square plus ab equal to 3, then find the value of 3a square over a square plus bc plus 3b square over b square minus 2ca plus 13c square over 4c square plus ab is equal to how much? So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 800 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here given a square minus 2bc by a square plus bc plus 6ca over b square minus 2ca plus c square minus 3ab over 4c square plus ab is equal to 3. Now here he is asking to find 3a square plus 3b square plus 13c square. The denominators are same. So here the trick you have to use. So what is the trick means? Here you have to eliminate BC. Numerator and denominator you have to eliminate BC. Here you have to eliminate CA. Here you have to eliminate AB. So here what you will do? A square minus 2BC by a square plus BC plus 2. Adding 2 here. Second one 6ca plus b square minus 2ca. Here we are adding 3. Why? Because 3 2s are 6 will get. You have to eliminate 6ca. C square minus 3ab by 4c square plus ab. Here also you have to add 3 is equal to 3 plus 8. Here you are adding 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8. Adding 8 on both sides. Now here if you take LCM, if you take LCM you will get a square minus 2bc plus 2 into a square plus bc by a square plus bc plus 6ca plus 3 into b square minus 2ca over b square minus 2ca plus c square minus 3ab plus 3 into 4c square plus ab by 4c square plus ab is equal to 11. Plus not sufficient. Now if you open the bracket, a square minus 2bc plus 2a square plus 2bc by a square plus bc plus 6ca plus 3b square minus 6ca by b square minus 2ca plus c square minus 3ab plus 12c square plus 3ab by 4c square plus ab is equal to 11. Now the problem is solved now. 2bc cancel. You will get 3a square over a square plus bc plus 6a cancel. Here you'll get 3b square over b square minus 2ca plus 3ab cancel. 13c square over 4c square plus ab is equal to 11 now. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max.